roundabout, taking the third exit towards B6265, towards this fourth. Then, enter the roundabout. Turn right at the roundabout, taking the third exit. Take the third exit towards B6265, towards this fourth. After 400 feet, enter the roundabout, take the first exit onto A168. Enter the roundabout, take the first exit. Turn left at the roundabout, taking the first exit. You arrive at destination on the right after 1,000 feet. You have reached your destination on the right.
Lost here.
Recalculating.
Don't bother with here. Reception.
Pictures weren't available till 1 anyway today.
Oh no. Just the wrong website. Hey.
Like it goes straight as you go up and round, the river's on that end. At back, you see on the map anyway. It's a steep pip. Steep pip, isn't it?
It's a steep dip here. Must be a flood zone this.
Eh?
Must be a flood zone this.
So is he waiting for you to show you where
Yeah.
water is?
No, I think he's just going to show us pitching. No shoes on. Well, there's no shoes on the end, I think. The one here. Got a choice of three.
Well, if the sun does come out, where's the best pitch for that?
That one.
That,
Yeah.
Right, okay.
We'll do that one.
Right, as far as you can go and then goes on right side.
Yeah.
So maybe
Yeah.
Perfect.
Perfect. Right, we'll need some
you're going to put water.
water, yes.
So just get back to the top and then up over that ridge there and
Yeah.
you'll appear on your left hand side.
Rightio, no problem.
Okay.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
So we're on that one then.
That's right.
Yeah.
So he's allocated it now,
Yeah,
so
yeah.
I'll do it. Thank you.
So you need that code anyway.
See you back.
74.
7436.
Well, it's only just...
Yeah, it's automatic.
Wayne's, is it Wayne's or Baines?
What?
Dairy.
Oh, Pains, I think.
Yeah, mate, it does get flooded. This thinks he's lacking a big. Isn't it? Yeah. It is, isn't it? Hello folks, we're at Boroughbridge. As you'll have seen, I've done the arrival, so we're now set up. It's evening time, it's very dark outside. Got some bad news that Tess has had to be put down. She got really badly and we thought she might have made this trip, but unfortunately she had to be put down this morning. So we thought the best thing we can do is to carry on, and we'll come to this Boroughbridge Camping and Caravan Club site. What I'll do is I'll give you a quick look round the caravan site when it becomes daylight, and we're just going to relax and just remember Tess. Right, that's me for now. Bye for now. We'll see you later on.